Hello, I'm Troy Bockelmann with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by CattleFax, the deciding factor. Carcass weights, along with slaughter, determine the overall tonnage that is produced by the industry, and changes in one or the other can impact the cattle market. Currently, steer carcass weights are a modest 3 pounds heavier than the same week a year ago, with a year-to-date average that is 6 pounds heavier than 2017 levels. Strong basis and cattle prices encouraged movement from the feed yard to the packer, and the feed yard sector was current. As a result, 2018 had the third largest weight decline from January 1st on record. 2003 and 2017 are the only years with larger weight declines. The 2018 seasonal low for steer carcass weights occurred at 846 pounds, which is a 6.2% decrease from January 1st. Carcass weights seasonally move higher into the fall before leveling off or moving slightly lower into the year's end. This typical increase from the carcass weight low would put the seasonal high in the fall of the year around 897 pounds. Some factors that could influence carcass weights are building a front-end supply, packer and feedlot profitability, basis levels, feeding conditions, and corn prices, to name a few. As feed yards are entering a period of losses and there are premiums built into the deferred live cattle futures, it is likely that weights could move higher than the average suggests. As corn prices have retreated in the last few months, feed costs could also support feeding cattle to heavier weights. The annual fed cattle carcass weights are expected to increase 13 pounds in 2018, in combination with a fed cattle harvest that is expected to be 500,000 head larger. This equates to fed cattle beef production roughly 800 million pounds larger in 2018. If carcass weights increase more than current expectations, the additional beef production could pressure the market. The opposite is also true if carcass weights are lighter than what is expected. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the volatility is extreme, the risks are big, but the opportunities for success are there. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 50 years, CattleFax has led the way. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information. Equipped with the industry's most powerful database, our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, our focus is you. We provide a direct line of contact with you, our client, to the CattleFax team with our daily updated website, modernized mobile app, or the traditional phone conversation. CattleFax, the deciding factor. Become a member at CattleFax.com.